Excuse me. Okay.
Gals in God's grace.
Hi, welcome to a very special front porch and back porch collaboration with some amazing ladies of YouTube. We have carefully prepared a small bio on each of the ladies, and we really want to share that with you. So we are going to actually read what we have written.
Right.
So Trisha's going to start by introducing you to Glamburger.
Glamburger. Oh my gosh, we love her. So here it is. Glamburger does makeup tutorials, thrift hauls, store hauls, book reviews, and cleaning. We love how genuine and thoughtful she is and how she's always building others up. We also love that she pays attention to detail and her videos are always so transparent. And Glamburger is known for having the best comments or responses ever on videos or even on Instagram. She just pretty much nails it.
She does. You can have a full-on conversation with her, and she is so fun to talk to.
Right. Next, we're going to talk about Coffee with My Sunshine, and Amber's going to read that to you.
Coffee with My Sunshine is also known as the DIY Queen.
Yes, she is.
She does DIY tutorials, cleaning, product reviews, cooking, organizing, beauty, hair, and decorating videos. We love Casey's soft speaking voice and relaxing music. We feel like just grabbing a cup of coffee, pulling up a chair, and watching her well-organized, simple tutorials. Casey has such a sweet and humble disposition, and she has inspired so many women to try fun, easy projects on a dime. And we love how she always shares encouraging phrases at the beginning of her videos.
It's really neat. It's very inspiring, and it's like, oh my gosh, what is she going to put this time? Okay, so who's next, Amber?
Living My Blessed Life.
Living My Best Life. All right. Living My Blessed Life channel focuses on cleaning videos, vlogs, shopping hauls, and more. Mandy is a natural. She can get straight to the point without missing a beat. She has fun energy and a charming Southern accent. And she has a very inviting channel. We know that you will love it too. Definitely check it out. And next, we're going to be doing Shanthi's Lifestyle. I hope I'm saying that right. Shanthi's Lifestyle.
I would say Shanthi. So
Shanthi.
One of us is saying it right.
And one of us is saying it wrong.
Shanti's Lifestyle focuses on home decor, cleaning, hauls, her family, beauty, and much more. Shanthi is great. We are brand new to her YouTube family, and we love how thorough she is and how her husband gets right in and helps.
That's right. And we would love to rate her makeup.
She has an incredible makeup collection.
Shanthi, we're coming over.
All right, so we're going to have a link to each of these women's channels right in the description box. So after you watch our front porch makeovers, make sure you head on over to their channel and see what they did with their front and back porch.
And if you love it, make sure you subscribe and ring their bell. We know you'll love them and you're going to enjoy ours. So let's get to it.
I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss, life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? Of all the things I leave behind, perfect, and you're no longer on my mind. Sun, warming sun, and my life's just begun. Sun, under the sun, I'll be fine and you'll be gone. When nothing's like home. I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Only days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. But I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with this. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home?
So here are a bunch of flowers that I purchased, and I'm removing them from the porch and placing them where they are going to be planted. And if you are curious about what a thriller, a filler, and a spiller are, definitely stay tuned for a video that we have coming up.
It has something to do with those beauties right there behind Trish that she's picking up now.
Ooh, look at those muscles.
What can it be? Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Those are some beautiful pots that I put together for this front porch makeover. Oh my gosh, that was so heavy, but hey, I got some muscle power.
You got
feeling
this, girl.
Strong. Yeah.
I saw you when you had a very nice squat when you.
That's right. I was totally using my legs. And look at this beautiful wreath. So this is the same wreath that Amber made with just a little bit of different greenery.
I would beg to differ. That is an amazing wreath that you made. It's like a florist did it.
Oh, fiddlesticks. It's beautiful, but yours is beautiful. Both of ours just had our own unique touches. And then we have to cut the pillow and do the final touch. Oh my gosh, this really turned out nice. I love it.
It's gorgeous.
That pop of color. Normally, I actually don't do all flowers in my pots. I like to add some like greens or
Well, you did.
grasses.
They just haven't really grown yet.
Yeah.
Trish, can you hear that?
What?
The crickets.
I know.
And the birds.
Yes. Oh, and look, there's my little lantern and my beautiful sign that my daughter gave me because she loves coming home and it feels like home, and so she gave me a home sign. And then, of course, the wreath on the dark navy blue door.
Freshly painted, by the way.
Just painted. I chose that color because our whole house is just cream, and I just needed a nice facelift. So when you're looking at it from the street, you get a pop of color.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on it.
Now that the door is painted, we're just gonna come in and clean everything up. Wash everything down. We're gonna vacuum the rug, and we have a little bit of decor that we're gonna put up here. It's gonna look amazing. So come decorate, clean with us.
And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I.
These are just some sticks that I collected after a windstorm. These are like fallen branches from a tree, and I just decided to use them as decoration for the front door.
That is so stinking creative.
I found some ribbon at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to put this in the corner right next to the front door. I have a small space, so I needed something tall and skinny. And this really kind of reminds me of like a beachy kind of look, which is not necessarily what I'm going for, but I love the beach. So.
Oh, I think it looks amazing. That is such a creative idea. You always cease to amaze me, girl.
Okay, so we're gonna decorate with some sticks.
Woohoo! Let's go.
But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh.
Okay, Amber, what's next?
Now, the wreath. You saw this in the DIY last week, and this is the wreath we're going to use. We've decided to hang this with some ribbon. I got some more ribbon from the dollar store, and we're just going to drape it over the door, and we're going to nail it in on this side of the door.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where.
I want the flowers to be on the side, but it wants to slide down.
Uh-oh.
So we're going to stick a little nail right in here to hold it up.
On the street so many times my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know.
All right, it's all done. We have the painted door. It's black with the hula hoop wreath with the peonies. And actually this plant is down here is a peony plant. So that'll kind of complement the wreath. It'll all kind of flow together. I just used a sage green pot that I already had, and I bought the flowers for $13 at Costco. The wreath I put together for $16.50. The sticks were free. I got the ribbon for $1. And then I used this Adirondack chair that I got from a yard sale years ago. I got 2 of them for only $25. It needs to be stained again, but I kind of like that weathered look. And then I just used a pillow that I already had in the house that kind of complements the door and the gray and the sticks. The mat is an old mat that I got last year. The paint was only $5 from Trish. And the total for all of this was only $35.50. And I have a totally refreshed and cleaned front porch for spring.
This is where my heart is. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.